Hi there, my name is Dr. Christian Yaist, and I want to share a quick video with you explaining dental implants and the incredible Proud Smile solutions available for you. I'm going to show you the different treatment options and the advantages of each one so you can begin to get an idea of which one is right for you. If you have missing teeth, you're not alone. Many people struggle with tooth loss. Whether you have one or many missing teeth, we know missing teeth not only limit the foods you eat, but it often causes embarrassment in certain social situations. Unfortunately, your chewing ability and confidence are not all that's at stake here. You see, when you lose a tooth or teeth, your bone says, I have no reason to be here anymore, and it starts to shrink. In fact, in the first year after you lose a tooth, studies have shown you lose about 25% of your bone width. In cases where you're missing most of your teeth, on the top and bottom arches, the bone can shrink significantly, cause your face structure to shrink and even collapse. Now here's some good news. It absolutely doesn't have to be this way. With the advancements in dentistry, implants are helping improve the quality of life for so many people, just like you. So let's get started with the first treatment option. Let's say you're missing one tooth in a particular area. As you can see here, there's a healthy tooth on each side of this missing space. Due to the limitations in the past, in order to fill this missing space, dentists would have to grind down two healthy teeth and put a crown, or what most people know as a cap, on them and create what we call a bridge. So that's the old way. Well, why grind down two healthy teeth if we don't have to, right? This is a perfect scenario for a single tooth implant. Your dentist would place an implant right here and then connect what we call an abutment on top of it. This helps hold the crown in place, and as you can see, it's a very simple process. The bonus here is the implant will also preserve the bone in that area. The second option is what we call an implant retained denture. This is one of my favorite options for patients who already have an existing denture, or for someone who doesn't have any healthy teeth left in their mouth and they're just looking for a solution. The implants are placed, and then the denture attaches to it. It just snaps into place and it's sturdy. No need for denture glue, no more fear that your dentures are popping out, and no more avoiding your favorite foods. These are very easy to clean because you can detach them and snap them back when you're finished. As a dentist, I really like this option because it promotes the aesthetics or look that everybody wants. So it looks nice, it gives proper functionality so you can eat properly and chew, and most importantly, it promotes positive bone behavior so you preserve as much bone as you can. Now let's talk about option number 3, the fixed screw-retained appliance. If you're looking to get as close as you can to having natural teeth, this is the option for you. People are absolutely thrilled with this type of appliance for so many reasons. One, it's extremely sturdy. In fact, your dentist is the only one who would be able to remove it because it's designed to screw directly onto the implants. 2, they feel like your natural teeth, so they don't feel like anything extra or foreign is in your mouth. And 3, you can taste your food again a lot better because your palate or the roof of your mouth is not covered up. The great thing is with this type of appliance, it's made of the highest quality material and can be completely customized to look the way you want it to. Plus, you don't have to take them out at night. They're professionally secured by your dentist and designed to stay in. Your dentist will explain how easy it is to clean them. I hope this video helped you understand the different types of dental implants to see their unique benefits and how choosing the right option for you can improve your quality of life forever. To take the next steps towards your Proud Smile solution, simply fill out the short quiz in this video. Once you've completed the quiz, you'll receive a follow-up call to schedule your free Proud Smile consultation. So go ahead, take the quiz. I promise you, you won't regret it.